Hi, welcome back. I finally had to open the hives and put some sugar water. I had to put blankets over the buckets because it was so cold. We're in the middle of April and this is ridiculous, but that's what it is. So, then the day before, or a few days before I should say, there was a snowstorm and I knew they needed food, so I put some, I took this metal strip and I put honey on it. It was crystallized honey that I melted to a point where it was just like thick toffee, enough for them to digest but not too soft for them to be stuck in it. And I'll show you that little video right after this, so if you like, press like and subscribe. Alright, so my bees need food and it's cold and I can't open the hives, so I thought of a way. I cut strips of metal, 1.5 inches. I got honey almost like toffee. I pour the honey on the strip of metal, and then I take icing sugar and put it over it so it's not as sticky for them when they start. Then I'm going to show you when I put it in the hive. Yes, it is honey. It is from their beehive, so it's safe to put in. I put some yesterday. I know they need food, and so I just shove it in top of the There you go, it's in there. Yesterday I put one in here, and these guys, I don't know, they're funny. They're always clustering in the opening and nothing there, nowhere to go. So I'll open up more there in the bottom. And on this one, I'm pulling it out. You see, they cleaned it perfect. I'm pulling it out slowly. I'm gonna come back as they get the cold air. You want to go back in? Go back in. And I'll get one in the face. And I'll come back in 10 minutes, pull it out, and it's super clean. So it works. So it's emergency. So at least they're getting something before I can open this in about 5 days when they say the weather will be warm enough. Okay, thank you.